Hi friends, I am Simply Tamanisha and I'm sharing with you my food haul for April the 2nd, 2021 at Food Town this week. As you can see, I've got quite a number of little things that I'm going to be adding to my stockpile and my working pantry. In the summertime, I feel like I like more seafood. I like seafood through the year, but the fried seafood kind of thing, for me, I do a lot of that in the summer, and these are 99¢. Now, if you like to bake, they have some of the Nestle La Crema, and they have the Tres Leche and a few other ones on sale for less than $1.50. The Dole fruits in a cup are $1.99. I grabbed one mostly because it's the cherry mix, but usually in the summertime there are coupons for the fruit. They didn't have them last year, so I'm hoping they'll have them this year for canned fruit. But they did have the Del Monte pineapples for 99¢, you know, because of the holiday. A lot of people cook hams, so they did put that on sale, so I grabbed a few of those. The Rotel tomatoes, I grabbed 4. I meant to grab 2 Velveetas. The Velveeta was on sale for $6.99, and I had a coupon from last year that expires this year in June. And it's when you buy the Velveeta, you get 2 cans of the Rotel tomatoes for free. I forgot and only grabbed 1, but I still have 3 of those coupons, so I may go back. These are on sale for 44¢ each. They're usually on sale for 2 for $1 at Food Town. And as I told you guys before, I love Tostitos. Well, I love nachos. I love nachos. So the Tostitos cheese was $3.29 a jar. So it's usually about $3.99, rarely on sale. I think a while ago, Kroger used to put it on sale during the Super Bowl. I think it was like $1.99 or $2.99, but they haven't done that in a while. And every now and again, you'll find it for $3 at Target. The Heinz squeezable mustard was on sale for 72¢. And then I grabbed this because it's the Easter weekend and I'm going to make some deviled eggs. Coconut milk was on sale as well. I don't remember the price. Now, I did grab some 100% juice. Cranberry, it was on sale by Ocean Spray, and I had a coupon for 75¢ off. So I only bought 2 because this was the only flavor of the 100% juice that they had left in my Food Town. And then the Penolin cleaning solutions, they were 88¢, and this big one was 99¢. But friends, the most important thing that I got from the store is the water I'm about to show you next. So since I haven't brought the cases upstairs, I'm going to attach the video from the store so that I can talk to you about the alkaline water.